Okay, children. So now, based on the concept what we have learned now, I am going to solve few questions along with you. So we'll solve together and see how fast we can solve these type of questions. Okay. So are you ready? Here is your first one. So the first question states, Gopal wants to buy a shirt that costs rupee 150. He has rupee 70. How much more money does Gopal need to buy the shirt? Okay. So did you understand the question? Gopal wants to buy a shirt that costs rupees 150. But this boy is having only 70 rupees with him. So now we need to help him to figure out how much more money he has to accumulate with himself in order to purchase that shirt. Okay. And your options are option A, rupee 220. Option B, rupee 120. Option C, rupee 80. And option D, rupee 30. Okay. So first we need to understand what operation are we going to do for this question, whether we are going to add or subtract. So tell me children, what are we going to do? The shirt is costing 150, whereas Gopal is having only 70 rupees. So what he has to do? Do we have to add or do we have to subtract? Very good. We need to subtract because he is running short of money, right? So only if I pay extra, the shopkeeper will give me this shirt for me. So what will I do? 150 minus 70. So 0. 15 minus 7 is 8 and this works out to 0. So which means that Gopal have to bring 80 rupees extra in order to purchase this shirt. So where is 80 children? It is here. Option C is the right answer. Clear? Shall we move to the next question? So here is your next question. The next question says, the table given shows the cost of different number of tennis balls at a store. Tennis balls at a store. Okay. So here is your number of balls and here is your total cost in rupee. Okay. So this is the table that is given to us and based on this we will find out the answer for the question asked. Okay. So 1, 3, 6 and 9. Okay. So you need to find the first column 27, 54 and 81. Okay. Now the question is, based on this information, what is the cost of one tennis ball? Okay, and your options are option A, rupee 18, option B, rupee 3, option C, rupee 6, and option D, rupee 9. Okay, so now children, this is the table given here. One ball costs something, 3 balls cost 27, 6 balls cost 54, 9 balls cost 81. So if we are able to divide, we will be getting the value of one ball. So starting from the first one, 27 divided by 3. Okay, so if we tell the table of 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27. So which means that 27 will get divided 9 times when multiplied by 3. Okay, so which means that 3 balls costs me 27 rupees. So which mean one ball will cost me 27 divided by 3, which is equal to rupee 9. Okay, now we need to check whether it follows the same for these two. So assuming the value of one ball is 9, we will just multiply and see. So how much is 6 into 9, children? So 6 are 36, right? 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54. So is it working correct here? Yes. Shall we try the next one? So 9 into 9. So 9 6 are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81. So that is also falling correct. So which means that cost of one ball is rupee 9. So where is the right answer? It is option D, rupee 9, the right one. Okay, you understood? So here they have given in the multiples. If you divide it by this one, you will be getting the cost of one tennis ball. Okay, shall we do the next sum? So here is your next question. The next question says, Smita bought 80 liters of drinking water for a party for rupee 240 rupees. Okay, which of the following number sentence could be used to determine the cost of 1 liter of water? Okay, and your options are A, rupee 240 plus 80, option B, rupee 240 minus 80, option C, rupee 240 divided by 80, and option D, rupee 240 into 80. Okay. So, they are asking how we will determine the cost. They are not asking what is the value of 1 liter. They are asking that which of these methods will help us to know what is the value of 1 liter. So, do we have to add, subtract, divide or multiply? We will read the question once. Smita bought 80 liters of drinking water for 240. Okay. So, how will I find out? So, 80 liters cost me 240. So, 1 liter will cost me how much? 240 divided by 80, right? So, it will work out to how much? 240 divided by 80. So, if you just count the value of 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, right? So, it works out to 3. So, 1 liter is equal to rupee 3. Okay. So, which means that 240 divided by 80 will help me to find out the cost of 1 liter. So, we will be using the division method to solve this problem. Clear? Shall we move ahead for the next question?